Hi, I'm Mr.Kostenko and this is my trading academy. Today we will take a closer look at what every binary options trader needs to know to trade successfully this year in 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a bell to not miss new lessons. Let's start with basics. What are binary options? Binary options are derivative financial instruments where a bet on an increase or decrease in the price of an underlying asset. You have a fixed value or premium, what if successful you cannot lose. However, the profit may exceed the possible loss. First, let's look at the Binarium web platform. To better understand how binary options work, the binarium brokerage provides the opportunity to trade unpopular stocks, gold, silver, currencies, and of course cryptocurrencies as well as other indexes. Today, we will focus on one of the simplest and most effective strategies for binary options trading, which is called a trend reversal strategy. This strategy helps traders identify potential entry points when the current market trend begins to reverse. Before we begin, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel, where I share my trading signals for free, share analytical predictions for future financial market events, and help anyone who trades with me become an independent trader. The link to my channel is in the description below. Be sure to join and subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notification of new videos. Let's start. Let's choose an asset with low volatility for our trade. Why should we choose a low volatility asset? Because usually an asset with such high volatility moves in one direction, and this can allow us to make a decent profit. Let's follow our old example of main currency pair, the euro-dollar. So let's set up our workspace again. Yeah, I have already told you before, and now I will repeat how I do it. I use two simple moving averages with periods of 5 and 10 in my work. In the chart, a simple moving average with a period of 5 is red, while a simple moving average is 13 is blue or blue colored. So, we can see what the price has stopped growing. Obviously, buyers are expecting something interesting, and it is likely the price will continue its upward trend after breaking through the 1.0640 level. In addition to these two moving averages, 5 and 13, I also use support and resistance levels. What is a support level? It's a price level. For example, the mark of 1.0525 on this chart. I rounded up to 25 because trading psychology often relies on round numbers. Usually, the price stops near specific or let's say round numbers. For example, 1.0600 or 1.0625 or 1.0750, well, as applied to the euro-dollar chart. So you and I can see what there we have a fairly strong local support level at 1.625 that the price could not overcome just recently. It pushed off from it and already the moving averages with periods of 5 and 13 gave us a signal to pay attention to buying binary options on the underlying asset in the euro-dollar pair. Look, there is an intersection here. There we get a new ascending green candle. Let me remind you that green means what price was rising during the formation of that candle. So we have moving averages, or moving averages as in slang. Professional traders call this an interesting indicator of technical analysis lined up below the price, which was rising on the whole, with the exception of this local decline, and the moving averages thus confirming the upward trend. Unlock, please note that the price has reached a resistance level, a local resistance level at 1.0637, or so, well, I'll round it up to 1.645. Remember the magic of round numbers. Pay attention to the price, which could not overcome this mark. Then it began to decline. This is a bright signal for reversing the trend. Here, the price is declining. First, it broke through the 5-period moving average. Then, it overcame the 13-period average. Now, there is an intersection. This is the sell signal. Generally, assessing the dynamics of the price, movement, and the simple moving averages plus support lines, we have 1.0625 and 1.735 resistance levels. I remind you, these are local resistance and support levels. The price turned around and started to decline. If it does not break above the moving averages and does not cross above this intersection, then probably we can expect it to fall to this local minimum at 1.630, or even to return to the support level at 1.0625. If you pay attention, you will see what is actually happening. What I want to say is what, from a fundamental perspective, the euro-dollar pair is likely to remain weak. The US dollar will receive support against the signal European currency. But why is this happening? I write about this in my analytical articles. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel, Instagram, and other sources where you can get quantities with my views on the development of events and the market. In particular, if we talk about the euro-dollar pair, what can we expect from its movement? Another very important topic is risk management. I just want to draw your attention to one very important thing. For example, if you start with a starting amount of $1,000 and decide to follow the risk rule of 1% of your deposit, then, of course, you need to make a trade volume or premium, because we trade binary options. The premium is $10, which is the cost of the transaction per opening, and you won't not lose more than $10. With successful trading, and I think you definitely will have it if you follow strict money management rules, when you increase your deposit to, for example, $1,500, then you can already open a deal in the amount of $15 following the same risk level of 1%. And naturally, as you understand trading with a large volume but subject to a 1% risk level, your total volume of profitable trades will already be higher than it was previously when you traded with $10. And now I will focus on another important point: the psychology of trading. Don't let success or failure affect your trading strategy. Excessively active trading can lead to unwise decisions and increased losses. Risk and capital management is not just a technique, it is a psychology. You should not apply it in every trade. Effective management of your resources allows you to remain in the market over the long terms and gradually increase your capital. This trend reversal strategy is an excellent starting point for beginners in binary options trading. It not only helps you understand the basic mechanics of the market, but also develops your technical analysis skills. Remember the importance of almost constant learning. It is impossible to achieve success without training and practical trading. I will show you which resources on the platform can help you learn and develop, including training materials and analytical tools. Binary options trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Today's lessons and strategy are just the beginning of our journey. I will teach you how to analyze your trades and learn from your mistakes so what over time you can become a successful trader. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and join my VIP chat in Telegram, where we analyze the markets together, learn and share secrets of successful trading. You can find the link to my Telegram channel and Instagram in the description below. I'm here to help. Have a great day and trading.